Veterinary care? You think that exists in factory farms? You think that exists at slaughterhouses? No, these animals are not looked after. Farm animals face lives of cruelty and suffering from the moment they're born until the moment they're killed. And this cow suffered immensely on the way to the slaughterhouse. But the meat industry doesn't care about their suffering. The meat industry only cares about profits. And it's important to highlight this because it shows how the industry doesn't care about the suffering of these animals. The industry only looks at this as the cost of doing business. Well, I am never going to do business with the meat industry ever again. I am never going to pay someone else to do this horrible stuff to animals.